Welcome to the second lesson of IT English course. So this lesson is about continuous tenses. As you could mention, I speak English now, so from this lesson you will have to listen all these videos in English. I hope that you will understand me. So, today's topic is continuous tenses, and we have three basic continuous tenses. The first one is present continuous. This tense is the most popular among all the continuous tenses. Secondary, we will talk about past continuous tense, and for the end we will talk about future continuous tense. So, let's start from present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, you should pay attention about a few key features about this tense. Everybody knows that present continuous is about actions which are happening exactly now, exactly at this moment. But there are a few things that you need to remember about present continuous. For example, as you may know from simple tenses, in present simple tense, we have such a situation that we use present simple for repeated actions. In present continuous, we can also use it for repeated actions, but these actions should have some negative effect. So, for example, они всегда опаздывают. They are always being late. So, here we use present continuous, because we don't like it. We don't like when they are late. So, we say they are always being late. So, let's write down and let's see what is the structure. And so in the end, it's a nice idea to add exclamation point or exclamation mark to emphasize that we have exactly present continuous, that we don't like this repeated action. Also, we use present continuous for such things which are happening near the moment of speaking. So, for example, I am working on this project. Я работаю над этим проектом. It means that something is happening just not exactly now, but in the moment that is near this moment. So, we say like that I'm working on this project. Я работаю над этим проектом. For example, it could be 1 day, 2 days, 1 month. But not exactly now. It could be that now I am speaking to you. So, that is it. And the last thing that I would like to talk about present continuous is that we can use it for actions which will happen in the nearest future. I am coming to visit her tomorrow. Я приду увидеть ее, посетить ее завтра. So, this is another situation another case in which we can use for present continuous. So that is present continuous. So let's switch to past continuous. For past continuous, you should just remember a few key features. The first key feature that is added in past continuous is that we have parallel actions. We can say a few things in the past which were happening at the same time. For example, we can say I was drinking milk when they were studying English. Я пил молоко, пока они учили английский. Or we can say I was working on this project while they were swimming in a swimming pool. So that is it. This is the key moment about past continuous, and the last key moment about past continuous is that it could also be interrupted. So, it could be interrupted action. For example, I was reading a book when they came. So, they came and I stopped reading book. So, I was reading a book, so the action was happening, but after that, they came and I stopped reading the book. So, that is past continuous. So for future continuous, you should remember only a few things that we have all the same rules as for present continuous and past continuous, but in the future. But all of them should be in the future with its structure. The key moment that you need to remember is that in interrupted actions for future continuous, we interrupted not by future simple, as we could think of it, but we interrupted with present simple. So, what does it mean? We can say, I will be reading a book when she comes. She comes and I will stop reading a book. Okay? So, thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.